think it's important that we learn how to use drones ethically. I mean, I've seen people come through and fly these drones into herds of elephant, um, and it's quite disheartening, if I'm honest with you. We seem to forget that these are extremely sensitive animals. Flying drones into herds of elephant, buffalo, giraffe, or any sort of animal it can be extremely detrimental to that. Family herds can be split up and all sorts. So I think if we approach this in the right way, we can use drones to be extremely beneficial.
Well, here I'm approaching them after spending some time, maybe 30 minutes, preparing them for the noise of the drone, and specifically coming with a 45 angle degree, which I found in my experience that is less stressful for animals. The other important factor here is that I'm trying to be extremely aware of any sign of stress um, presented by the elephant. We realize that the sound of drones are very similar to bees. So normally, the first reaction for any animal will be to run, extremely scared, trying to escape.
Surprise was how relaxed that herd of elephant were. This drone was hovering probably not more than 20 feet away from a breeding herd, yet they were feeding and were so relaxed about its presence. Um, and this is really the way that things should be done. The elephant's emotions and the elephant's well-being has to always come first, and not the footage. Generally, elephant, if they're relaxed enough to feed, they're relaxed enough to do anything, and that's it was amazing to see all these elephants still close together, and just really acting the way that they would normally do if no bit of technology or humans were around.